Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this project that my mom and I did together. They are the Keepsake Memory Hearts that we made in memory of my late mother-in-law that passed away in March 2019. I've seen this project, different styles of projects like this on Pinterest and YouTube. Not so much on YouTube, but I did see a lot on Pinterest that I could, see what different ways to go. But I picked doing the heart, and they turned out amazing. So what I just did was pick out the size and shape heart that I wanted, placed it on the clothing that I kept of my mother-in-law's, and just traced the heart and then cut out the fabric. And I just placed two different pieces of fabric together and pin them. You have to pin them inside out for when you sew them. And so when I was done with this part, I handed it to my mom, and she took care of the sewing part of it because I'm not so good at sewing. So from there, she did this wonderful job and added the ribbon to it. They turned out amazing. I couldn't be more happier with these. So what we did was we put the pattern on front, and then we put the solid color on the back, and of course the colors match well. My mom left a little piece open on the side so I could choose if I wanted more cotton to make it fuller or if I wanted less cotton to make it a little flatter. And of course I chose it this way to be a little flatter. And with the added ribbon, they're any type of ornament, so you can put them through anywhere in your house, Christmas tree, so you can have it every year displayed at Christmas, or like I do, I have it displayed on my pegboard in my craft room. She was really crafty, so I love having her memory here in my craft room with other projects that I have of hers that I've kept. So these were the hearts that we did. They turned out beautiful, and again, I can't be more happier with these.